Hello everyone. Welcome to my English channel. Maple here. In today's video, we will learn English through an interesting story. First, you will practice your listening skills by following the story. After that, I'll ask you a few questions to check if you can follow the whole plot. And try to answer the questions out loud to improve your speaking skills. Okay, ready? Here we go!
Everyone, I have news for you.
What is it, Daddy?
Good news or bad news? Absolutely, it's a piece of good news. I'm going to propose to Miss Emily this weekend. If she says yes, we're going to get married at the end of this year.
Really? Why are you so rushed?
I think she actually says yes. You are in a relationship for almost 2 years. I don't know. I'm quite nervous.
I don't think this year is okay. You haven't prepared anything for it.
I'm planning everything. No worries.
Okay, whatever you want. Aunt Kelly, I am going out with Linda.
Okay, remember to come home before lunch.
Sure. Where is my daddy?
He is going out in the early morning.
Where is he going? Today he doesn't have to work. Linda is waiting for me. See you later.
Bye, Phoebe. Wow, that diamond ring is perfect. It extremely matches with Emily. Kelly, look. Wow, it is so pretty. Is that your proposed ring? Yes, that's it. Do you think Emily will like it? Definitely. This is the best ring I've ever seen. Oops. Meow, meow. What are you doing here, bro? Come here. Thomas, what happened? There was a cat inside our house, but he just jumped out through the window. Oh, he has come here so many times. I think he's a wild cat. I will close the window to avoid him coming again. That's fine, no worries. Oh my gosh, where is my ring? I don't know. I'm cooking in the kitchen. Where do you put it on? On this table? Maybe the kitten dropped the ring on the floor. Let me look for it. Yeah, let's look for it together. What happened? What are you doing, Daddy? I'm looking for the ring. The ring? The proposal ring? Oh my. Don't stand there. Come here and help me to find it. Okay. I can't find it. Shall we give up? Why can't we find it? The cat was just around here. Ah, it's because of the cat, I'm sure. He must swallow that ring. Are you sure you put it on that table? Sure. I put it here and then went to the bathroom. That's weird. I need to go out now. Kelly, please help me look for it. Sure, Thomas. You will not be able to find it. I'm sure the cat swallowed the ring. 100%. So, where do we can find that cat? Let me ambush on the garden. I saw him many times there. Okay.
Then I can decoy him with my pâté can.
I will still look for it in the living room and the bathroom. I don't think it's because of the cat.
What are you looking for, Aunt Kelly?
I am helping your dad to look for something.
My dad? What is it?
It is the ring. Your dad bought it to propose to Miss Emily.
Oh my, what a silly. Why can he lose an important like it?
Did you drop home any time after going out with Linda?
No, what's up, Aunt Kelly?
Which shoes did you wear in the morning? Are that boots?
Yes, they are.
But I noticed that when you came back, you were wearing those sandals.
No, how can it be like that?
It is raining outside, so your shoes must be wet. But look, they are super dry.
What do you mean? I do nothing with that diamond ring. Why do you doubt me?
Why do you know that is the diamond ring? I think I have never told you that.
Oh my, the proposed ring must always be a diamond ring, nothing particular.
But
look everyone, I found this cat. He was playing in the backyard.
do you still believe it is in his belly?
Yes, absolutely. I found him, so the mission is completed a half.
What is going on?
I found this cat. We just need to wait for him to let the ring out of his stomach. That's so silly. I'm back in my room. Bye, Daddy. We have an empty room, so we can keep him there and wait.
Okay. Kelly, please go to the pet shop to buy some pet food for him. The pet shop is at the end of the street. I'm going now. Quickly, Jack. Take a box for him to lay down.
Which box, Daddy?
Any cardboard box, and then let him do his mission.
What should I do now? Should I give it back to Daddy? But how? If he knows I stole it, he will be angry with me. Ah, I know what I should do.
Phoebe, what are you doing?
Nothing. Why are you here?
I forgot to bring him a cup of water.
Give it to me. I can help you.
It's late. You should come back to your bed. Daddy Thomas won't be happy if he sees you here.
I see.
Phoebe, what do you think about Miss Emily?
She is a good person. A pretty woman.
Do you like her?
So. I like her, but that will be super weird if she moves to our house.
Why?
I don't know. She will live in my mom's room. I don't think that's a good idea.
My little girl, your mom moved out. She also has her new own room. Your dad needs to have a new life, and Emily is the one he loves at the moment.
I know. When she moves in, can I still meet my mom?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, then I will give them my best wishes.
Good girl. Kelly, did you find the ring? I'm so nervous. It's the limited edition, so...
Daddy, look what I found!
Slow down, Jack. You may be falling down. What is it, Jack?
The ring! I found it in the cat litter box.
Oops, that smell.
I know, it's not really good now, but we can clean it.
Do you think it works?
We should try. We cannot do anything else.
Okay, let me do it. Luckily, we found it. Thanks, everyone.
You are welcome, Daddy.
Now I have some questions for you guys. Try to answer and see how much do you understand.
1. What is the good news that Thomas shares with everyone? Thomas is going to propose to Ms. Emily, and they plan to get married at the end of the year. 2. Why is Thomas nervous about proposing to Ms. Emily? He is not sure if she will say yes. 3. What happens to the proposed ring that Thomas bought for Emily? The ring goes missing, and they suspect that a cat may have swallowed it. 4. Who helps Thomas look for the ring? Aunt Kelly and his daughter and son, Phoebe and Jack, help him look for the ring. 5. Where do they finally find the ring? They find the ring in the cat litter box. 6. How does Phoebe feel about Ms. Emily moving in with them? Initially, she feels uneasy about Ms. Emily moving in, but eventually, she gives them her best wishes.